Hey guys, so today I'm going to be checking out this AZDOME 12-inch mirror dash cam that has a dual camera as well as parking assistance, camera night vision, and is waterproof. Now the box does come with everything you need to set it up. Installation does require a little bit of patience, but if you follow the directions, anything is possible. I did have a little help, so let's go ahead and install. So I did drill a hole in my bumper and installed the rear camera, screwed it in, and then went ahead, pulled the wire through the back and just connected them there and worked on pulling the wire up to the front of my car. Here's an important step. You have to hook the red wire to your reversing lamp. This is going to help with the backup assistance. And then placed my brake light back and proceeded to wire to the front of the Jeep. Here we are plugging in the power supply, the GPS module, as well as the rear camera. And then I'm simply going to attach this to the mirror that is already there. Downloading the AZDOME app is going to give you full access to all of the functions that this dash cam has. You just follow the steps and set it up. So here you've got screenshot, emergency lock, audio record, stop, start recording, your Wi-Fi status, playback video, and your settings. Now we're going into the settings, and here you see your general settings. You can scroll down. Then you've got your video settings as well as your system settings. So now I'm going to go into the app and check out the real-time video. I am in my garage right now. I'm about to pull out and we're going to see how the night mode is looking. And if you ask me, it looks pretty clean. Night mode video is very clear and it is crisp. And then all you have to do from here is go on over to your dash cam albums and it's going to show you all of your videos right there.